Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Upwork talent to good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Upwork talent and you'll enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.